Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this colorful freehand nail design. So I'm going to use this pink by LA Colors called Pink Bubbles, this yellow by Pure Ice called Showstopper, this mint green by Sinful Colors called Acid Test, another Sinful Color polish called Lilac Out Loud, and this blue by Sinful Colors called Under the Influence. I hope I got that right. I've always been messing up with that one. So I painted my nails with white so that the colors can pop, and I'm going to do semicircles. You can add as many colors as you want, but I wanted to go crazy with the colors. I'm using these pretty pastels. I've been using a lot of neons, and after a while I get tired of doing the neons, so I wanted to do something really pretty and simple. Now if you want, you can use a nail brush to do this design, but I just thought with the nail polish brush it's really kind of quick and easy and simple to do. And like I said, you can add as many colors as you want, and if you want to, you can add a black line around it just to make the colors pop. I didn't want to, but you can do if you want. And as you can see, once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. This is a really simple design once you get the hang of it. I hope I made it simple for you guys to recreate. Here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos, and check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.